Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Skipper's outfit on Dress to Impress. I did use one VIP item, but you can replace it with any shoe that you would like. So let's get started with the video. Removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I used this hair in this color brown, no adjustments made. Then I used this hair in 94529C. Positioned the X to 0.58, rotated the Y to 0.52, scaled to 0.32. Grab these headphones and color it FC5797, this one, and black, and then in white. For the adjustments, position the Y at 0.22, Z 0.29, rotate the X to 0.6, and scale it to 0.12. Then for the outfit, sadly we don't have the star pattern anymore, so we're just going to wing it. Select this top and use the silk toggle for it. Then use these sleeves in the short sleeves and color it this blue color. I'm going to add silk to that as well. Grab this top and we're going to use this pattern instead. Let me see if there's another one that I can kind of use. No, I mean it'll only work with the stars, so let's just do the stars one. Then I'm going to use this top in the stars pattern as well. Grab these chains and color it white. You won't be able to see the belt really clearly, but that's fine. Grab that belt and color it white as well. Whoops. Then we're going to grab these jeans, color it this purple 8B4C94 in silk. And then we are going to grab the shoes from VIP. Again, if you don't have VIP, you can just use other shoes. Color the first one pink. I think I did pink. And silk. Let's do light silk. And then I did blue. And then I did yellow. And then I did white. And that is Skipper for you guys. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.